This is the third video to 3.1 College Algebra OpenStax textbooks. Let's continue with our function work here and take a look at number 8. We're given this table below with our input values and our output values. Number 8a asks us for the f of 6. So this means when x is 6, what is y? So looking at the table, where is x6? Right here. And when x is 6, what is the y value? It's 36. So this would tell us that the f of 6 equals 36. Let's take a look at letter B now. Now we want to know what is x when f of x equals 3. Remember, f of x is another way of saying y equals 3. Find x. So, when y is 3, let's see, y is 3 right there, and that means x equals 5. Moving on to number 9, we're given the function k of t equals 2t minus 1. They want us to evaluate 2. All this means is to allow t to equal 2 and plug 2 into our function. So the k of 2, wherever we see a t, we're going to plug in 2, and this will give us 4 minus 1, which equals 3. So the k of 2 equals 3. For letter B, they want us to find the values of t. This is our independent variable. When k of t equals 7. So what this means is we're going to plug in 7 to our function, and we're going to set it equal to 2t minus 1. Because we have to find t here. So we're going to go ahead and solve this. And we will get 4 for our answer. So that means the k of 4 equals 7. In number 10, we're asked to solve for functions graphically. In letter A, they ask us to evaluate f of 4. This means find the y value when the x value, or the independent variable, equals 4. So if we take a look at our graph, where is x equal 4? 1, 2, 3, and 4, which means the y value here is at negative 3. So this means that f of 4 equals negative 3. Please notice this is also a coordinate point. We could write this as 4, negative 3 to show the exact point on our graph. Letter B is asking us to find the values of x when f of x equals 1. So this means find x when y equals 1. So let's look, where does y equal 1? Here's 0, 0. Here's where y equals 1. And what is the x value there? The x value is 0. So that means the f of 0 equals 1. Now, notice that y equals 1 at another place on our graph. And what would the x value there be? If we look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it looks like negative 6. So f of negative 6 also equals 1. If you like, you can write these as 2 coordinate points as well. That concludes the third video to section 3.1.